Alright everybody, how can I download the source code by now? It's going to take you to this page here, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on the code right here, and notice that you can click on the download zip right here as well if you want to, but for me I prefer the command line way. And you know what, command line is not that difficult. It's easy and it's not that scary. It's easy. Now I click on this one and then copy it. So open up your terminal. Now I'm open up my terminal, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create the directory called test on my desktop. Right? Now let's cd in that. Now let's clone this. You're going to run git clone, and then you pass in the URL and hit space and then press dot, because I want to clone the source code inside of this directory. So that's why I have space and dot follow. So now hit enter. It's going to clone this. It will take a moment for this to finish. The file size is almost 5 megabytes, so that's quite big. So I move this to another tab so you guys can see it's a little bit bigger. So what the next thing to do is you have to know that what is your PHP version first. So by typing PHP-V and then hit enter, you can see that my PHP is the version 8.0.2. So if I list the file in here, and then if I have a look in composer.json file, you see that I have PHP version 7.3. So if I'm just run composer update, I'm going to get an error. Now you see that I have this problem because my PHP is version 8, but in the composer JSON I have 7.3. So let's fix that. Let's change to be 8, and then right here is going to be 0. Now that's it. Now let's run the command composer update again. And you can see now the update command is working now. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is I run npm install. Okay, if you list the file now, we need one of these. So copy this file. Copy .env.example to .env. And then let's edit this file. Right here at the database, DB database here, you need an absolute path. So how can I get an absolute path here? You do this. Okay, in your terminal, you go to the directory that you just clone this code in, and then you type in pwd to print out the working path directory, and that will be here. So I know that it's home/Farouk desktop /test, and we need to replace that right here. It's going to be home Farouk desktop and test. So that's it now. Close this file. The next step is you're going to run php artisan key generate. Hit enter. Okay, now everything seems to be good now. Next thing you're going to do is you just run php artisan serve, and your code will be working. Now if I click on this one, it will show this page. So if you can see this page, it means your code is working. Absolutely like that. Now let's log in. The login as member, you're gonna need test at mylab.me, and the password is the password. Okay, now you can log in as test. I log out. Now let's log in at admin. So you enter admin at mylab.me, and the password is also password. Oh, so wrong password. Now this is the admin section. You can see that at home here I also have visitor, and you can see. So what can I do on here? If I want to delete this, it's okay. I just click on that, like that, and then delete. Or if I want to truncate this table, I just delete. I just click on delete all here, and then click OK. So you can see now everything is gone, and it's also reset the database in here. All right, that's how you do it.